Can I delete my Rocket account? Intro. Sound of a rocket launching. Question: have you ever wondered if you can delete your Rocket account? It's a question that's come up more and more as people are becoming increasingly concerned about their online privacy and data. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Rocket and explore the options available to you when it comes to deleting your account. Understanding Rocket. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of deleting your account, let's take a moment to understand what Rocket is all about. Rocket is a popular, insert Rocket's primary function or purpose. It's used by millions of people around the world for list of reasons people use Rocket. Why delete your account? There are several reasons why someone might want to delete their Rocket account. Here are a few of the most common. Privacy concerns. Some people may be concerned about the amount of data Rocket collects and how it's used. No longer needed. If you've found a better alternative or simply don't use Rocket anymore, deleting your account may be the best option. Account security. If you've experienced a security breach or believe your account has been compromised, deleting it can help protect your personal information. The process of deleting your Rocket account. Now, let's get to the main event: how to delete your Rocket account. The process may vary slightly depending on the specific Rocket platform you're using, but the general steps should be similar. Log into your account. The first step is to log into your Rocket account using your username and password. Locate the Settings or Account menu. Look for Settings, Account, or similar menu option. This is usually located in the top right or bottom left corner of the screen. Find the Delete Account option. Within the Settings or Account menu, you should find an option to delete your account. It may be labeled as Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. Confirm deletion. Rocket may prompt you to confirm your decision to delete your account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided by Rocket to complete the deletion process. This may involve entering your password again or providing additional information. What happens after you delete your account? Once you've successfully deleted your Rocket account, here's what you can expect. Immediate deactivation. Your account will typically be deactivated immediately after you confirm the deletion. Data removal. Rocket may take some time to remove all of your data from its servers. However, the process should be relatively quick. Irreversibility. Deleting your Rocket account is usually irreversible. Once it's deleted, you won't be able to recover your account or your data. Alternatives to deleting your account. If you're not ready to delete your Rocket account but still have concerns about your privacy or security, there are a few alternatives you can consider. Limit your activity. You can reduce the amount of personal information you share on Rocket and limit your activity on the platform. Adjust privacy settings. Many platforms, including Rocket, allow you to adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your information. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can help protect your privacy online by encrypting your internet traffic. Additional considerations. Before you decide to delete your Rocket account, there are a few additional things to consider. Linked accounts. If you've connected your Rocket account to other accounts, such as social media or email, you may need to take additional steps to disconnect them. Paid subscriptions. If you have a paid subscription to Rocket, be sure to cancel it before deleting your account to avoid further charges. Data backup. If you have important data stored on your Rocket account, consider backing it up before deleting it. Conclusion. Deleting your Rocket account can be a big decision, but it's one that you should carefully consider if you're no longer satisfied with the platform or have concerns about your privacy and security. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to successfully delete your account and take control of your online presence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.